I was developing a new feature on cartbusiness.com in Laravel. I use Laravel Sail as a local development environment. Sail uses Docker as a container, but now I face a problem with Docker desktop. It says Docker is stopped, Docker engine stopped. When I run sail up-d, it says Docker is not running. So the problem is that Docker itself is not running. I want to see the diagnosis of Docker container, so I will run this long command application docker.app contents macOS com.docker.diagnose gather. So I will gather the diagnosis of Docker right now to see what's the problem. I will add dash upload to report this case to the Docker development team. Be patient as this may take up to 15 minutes to gather information and diagnosis of Docker. The problem here is that daemon not running. Daemon is a background service or a background process. So the HTTP error status code not okay, but 500, so 500 is a server error. So the Docker daemon itself is not running. So I wanna fix this error by running the Docker itself. The first approach I will take is force quit Docker desktop application and Docker itself and rerun the Docker desktop and see if the problem persists or it fixed. So I open the activity monitor, then select the Docker desktop, then click force quit and find the Docker itself and select it and force quit it. Then I will open the Docker desktop from the menu as you can see and see if it works. Okay, it worked fine. It worked great. So let's see if the Laravel Sail works. Sail up-d. Oh, that's a great. It worked. So this simple fix worked. Make sure to subscribe to see the new videos. Peace out.